welcome back to my channel. I hope everybody's staying safe and out of the way. We're looking crazy in the house. The least we can do is pull ourselves together a little bit. So I had the brilliant idea to do my lashes at home. So I figured let me record it and let you guys see how to do the process. So I went to my local CVS and I picked up the Ardell Professional Do-It-Yourself Eyelash Extensions. It says it's up to 2-week wear. Kit contains, of course, the individual lashes, well, the clusters, not the individual strip. It comes with the lashes, adhesive remover, or lashes remover I should say, and the pointy tweezers. These are what you're going to use to pull these off of here and then place it onto your lash. I believe, I have no idea how much this costs. I'll just put it right here. But it says it's the Ardell Lash Combo Pack, not free naturals, and it has short black, 2 rows of medium black, and long black. I probably will not use the long just because I don't have too much space between my eyebrow and my eyelid, so I don't like it when people's eyelashes touch all the way up here. So I can see me using my mediums on the outside and the shorts in the middle, just to get a natural look. So I'm gonna read the back for you guys and tell you how they say to apply. So to sum it up, it says it's a 4-step application. Step 1, you're gonna pour 2 to 3 drops of the adhesive into a small piece of foil, and then close the bottle, of course, so you can preserve it. Then you're gonna gently remove the lashes from the tray using the tweezers, and then you will dip it into the drop of adhesive and place it over the natural lash. I see a lot of people, they put it under, which I would imagine would be painful because, Lord. And it's important to note that you should place it close to the lash without touching the eyelid. I made the horrific mistake of putting lashes on my actual eyelid a couple years ago, and when I tell y'all, I wanted to cry so bad. Every time I woke up in the morning, my eyes were on fire. Like, that stuff is painful. You do not want to get this glue on your eyelid. You want to place them as close to the lash line as possible without getting it on the eyelid. For the removal process, you would just use the lash free remover and remove them one at a time. Place a tissue over the lower lid and partially close your eye. Dip a cotton swab into the remover and gently stroke across the lash line until the adhesive softens. And then you just remove the lashes without tugging at them. So you could either apply it across the whole lash, or you could just put pieces to fill in little areas. My lashes aren't that short, but they're not really like, so I'll probably just add it to whole lash, but we'll see. So I'm assuming that this would be extremely hard to try to talk to you guys and do this at the same time. So remember what I said, how to apply it, and then watch me do it, because you can't be playing with the eyes and messing up. I'm sorry. I need to focus as much as I can. That's what we have the lights and camera for. I'll zoom in for you guys so you can see exactly what I'm doing. Yes. I think that's pretty good. Alright guys, stay tuned. Let me show you guys the products up close. Here's the adhesive. Focus. Here's the adhesive. The lash remover. The tweezer, which is very sharp, so be careful. And here's a close-up of the lashes. Let's get started. I don't feel like running downstairs to get no foil, so I'm gonna use this CVS picture envelope. I'm gonna put about this much adhesive. It's very difficult to get the glue out of the container.
2 hours later.
I don't know if y'all can see that. Fuck it. this one. Let me go get my mirror. I'm gonna take another medium. To ensure that both of your eyes come out even, it's good to like go back and forth. So I just put 2 on this eye. I'm gonna go and do 2 on this eye, just so I don't put 10 mediums on the ends of this and then 4 over here. Like, nah, we're not about to be lopsided. I damn near can use the long. My glue is drying out pretty fast, trying to make sure that the camera is focused while I'm placing them on my eyelash. So I'll just come back to you guys and when I get about here and I'm done with the mediums, and then I'll hop back on when I start putting the shorts on. Okay, so I put 1 long one in the middle. I think I want to do like a little long in the center, and then medium on the outside, and then short when I get to the corner. And an important thing to mention, make sure you guys are holding the lash in the right position when you place it. So if it's like slanted in here, like you don't want crooked lashes, so make sure you're holding it straight so that it could just be placed right on top of the lid. And I'm looking in my mirror. Oh, that's touching my lid. Slide it down. It's a closer view. See, that's crooked. Straighten that thing up. And my battery's about to die. So let me come back to you guys in a minute. I have like 3 long ones in the middle so far. I like it so far. What y'all think? Now I'm just gonna probably put a few more mediums, and then I might put like 2 shorts in the insides of both of them. Okay, lashes come through. Where I put my tweezers? Get off. Hard to hold these tweezers. I just dropped the damn lash. Oh, this autofocus is blowing me. You mother. Okay, quarantine bae. Clearly I need some more glue. Alright, I think I'm gonna start with the shorts now. Do I even have a lash right here? Let's go glue on that baby. This eye is so much easier to do. So while I think this is a nice natural set, I think I want it a little bit thicker. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and stack a few mediums in this area, maybe a little bit more longs. I might put like one more short in here and one more short in here. Then I'll come back and show you guys the final results. And here's the final results. Let me know how y'all like it in the comments. I think I did pretty good. I'm gonna show y'all how many I had left. I mean, there was a couple casualties that I just dropped, or I'll try to snatch it off and end up ripping it in half. But I got a little carried away and almost used it all. Overall, I think it looks pretty good. Let me close my eyes and let you see what it looks like from the top angle. The glue is not 100% dry yet, but I just turned my ceiling fan on, so we'll see. Just to summarize how I apply these, I have, let me get my tweezer. I started off with medium, then I put large in this area, smalls in this area, smalls, shorts in this area, and then I doubled up on the mediums in the middle just to make it a little thicker, but I didn't want too much length because as you can see, when I frown, my lashes are pretty much right there. Let me back up. What I will say is that the glue does dry kind of hard. They're still like flexible, but just a thing to note just in case. But you want to make sure you're not being too heavy with the glue because like I said, it does dry kind of hard, but that's why you're not supposed to stick them to your eyelid, and that's when I talked about how it hurt the first time I did it. The glue does dry clear, so that's a good thing as well. But I can imagine if you're being too heavy with it, it'll probably be a little white. I'm trying to get in close. Maybe I'm too close. There we go. Now I just need some eyebrows. I think I might throw in a little bit of eyebrows and let y'all see like the complete look. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and check out my other videos. I also have a video about tinting your eyebrows, which will go perfect with this if you want a quick, easy, wake up and go, but still be cute during quarantine, okay? So yeah, that's it. Bye-bye.